Guys, you can smell it. It smells so good. That's right. I'll be in my jar out there, man. I'm just going to get dinner. The skins are catch me now too. Wagwan again, peeps. So this is the surprise video. Well, I'm the surprise again because when you see Taiko, so when you know me already in every day here. You see me? So no long intro. I'm going to come in closer and see the ingredients them. Alright? So on the forward, come look what I go on. Alright guys, so we have a perch them here. You know. They're a big still, but them can work. So we have with bami, right? A soak and some coconut milk. Yeah. So the season from yesterday. The Maggi all purpose and the fish season, Jamaican national season, and the pimento and onion powder are mixed in this, right? So the cornmeal from yesterday, so I slice it up cold because it's on the fridge. So it's all fry. Yeah, the pumpkin from yesterday, with salt, with vinegar. So you have a fish flavored soup mix and the roasted noodle from yesterday. Yeah man, and the coconut oil. Take out this card, this is already. Some season, same way. Onion, scallion, and thyme. So we have we carrot from yesterday, same way. Sweet pepper yesterday and all that. So at this time now we get everything ready. So first thing we're gonna do, peeps, touch the fire. So meet me or the fire side. So you know what cold, you know. So peace, once you like up the video, like it up and share it out. That somebody who know about the channel. So like up the video guys, like it up. Alright guys, so it's a tissue. Paper towel also. Light the fire. We look at oil. Alright. So I don't know if catch cold fire. I don't know now. Easy way. Just light it. Alright. I'm just pick a mountain around it. Smaller one. Alright. So a time now to get the stuff them prepared because the fish first me I deal with, you know. Yeah man, so get this stuff them prepared now. Like the season, put up and all that. Yeah, so meeting back over the cutting board and I cut the season and all that. Alright guys, so cut up time now. Let me see. So what is stuff? So piece of the pumpkin. Guys, still a rainy day, you know. Be a rain. Peel up time on our feet. Actually, I'm cooking in the rain. Alright, pumpkin that. Sweet pepper. Onion timer now. Alright peeps, so you are going now. When I clean up all the season and all that, my car, you know, and you can look what I go on. So all the person them who interested to see this dish and what it turn out, because I first time for me to do fry certain cornmeal, you know. So all person who interested can watch what I go on, and if you know nobody, you can call them, so come in, come look what I go on. Alright guys, so when you see what I go on, fire catch, you know. Alright, fire catch, you know. So you don't know, say enough damage can create, because fire catch, fire catch. Alright, so what going on. We season and clean up. Yeah. So time now to cut up now. So I want to step back and watch. So cut up them now. First thing I'm work on are the pumpkin. Cut up small, you know, because I want to cook evenly. Spin around this like this. Open a section here. sweet pepper now cut up. So you know, so that sweet pepper, onion, scallion, thyme. Oh, I get a pepper soon. So come back in the peas. When I put the pepper, I carry along with me so you can see the tree. Alright guys, so we're going there. The carrot, scallion, the thyme. Put this right here so I don't see them as soulmate. Because you know the scallion is the thyme. And the onion, the sweet pepper, and the pumpkin. So we're going to peeps for your catch. Yeah, well ready pea pot. So meet me by the bush. Come and look the pepper. Put the piece, come go over our waist. Yeah. I need to fix some juice, man. Nice, me and look over them too, you know. Alright, so salt the tree for pepper. You can find the pepper. Alright, so one here. One here, peeps. The one here kind of young still. So you squeeze it, it's soft and spongy. That means it's young. You want to squeeze it and it's a crack. It's a well crisp. But I can't find any in a peep, so man, that's when pick it and done. See it again. Alright, see it here. Okay. Alright guys, in the meantime, the pot go hot. I'll get the fish salted out now. Put some vinegar in it, you don't know. So the fish then wash up. Yeah? Alright, my building closer. I'm not gonna see what I go on. So come in, come watch and see what I go on. Alright, peeps, so get the fish then salted out, you know, rub some feed in my belly. Alright, so I'm gonna beef. I not pot curry, not pot a burn. I get the vegetable in the pot now. So go and saute them through in the coconut milk. Alright guys, so I'm ready to go ahead and throw in the vegetable and the coconut milk. So what time to throw in the fish. I'm sure what I go on. It smells so nice already. I swear. Alright peeps, so time to throw in the fish and add in a little seasoning and all that, you know. Pumpkin and cook. See? Pumpkin and mash. Yeah man, fish card in a pot. I'm going to go down, it's a 10 minutes or so. And then we throw in with water crackers. So the cinnamon one with the curry. A nice flavor. Yeah, all purpose tonight. Add this some salt, but before putting the salt, now add in the roasted nougat first. And also the fish flavored soup mix. Eat like a taste and so I go on. Alright, you see it? You know salt. You know salt already in my peeps. That's alright. So I can do 4 of the pot. So you can see how it's going. So we're going to peeps. So this one simmer down. And then as you say, cinnamon crackers in the water crackers, the cinnamon flavor one. Yeah. And then after that now, we fry away bami and the cornmeal. Peeps, so add a bit more coal to the pot, more to the coal stove. Of course, alright, because I don't want to waste the coal. Add the pot now to cook to the frying. Yeah. So now you go again and throw in. Whoa, how you pull that pops, man? See the guys? Hear there? I don't know why the coal not pops up. So I'm gonna peeps, now you go ahead and throw in the crackers and all that in the pot. Yeah. So I tell you now to do the frying, and I'm going to use this oil, the coconut oil. Yeah. So when the pot done dry out and hot, we throw in the oil and show what I go on. Alright peeps, so throw in oil in the pot now.
I think that's too much.
Nope. Yeah man guys, you can deep fry it. I can fry it regular way without deep fry it. Yeah. So me not deep fry it because I leave back some of the oil. Yeah, just this much remaining. So when oil hot, now for the oil hot, in the meantime the oil go hot. Now I'm gonna drop out them here like this.
What is this?
The cornmeal. We're gonna fry it.
Fried cornmeal, but it's
Alright.
cold and it's good.
See like this peeps.
I'm confused.
Alright.
I'm very confused. Javon?
Huh? Very confused.
Yes, I'm very confused.
That's what I can see what I'm doing. Alright peeps. Yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces. Alright. So that. And the bami.
You have 4 pieces of bami. I forgot what bami made of again.
Cassava.
Alright, cassava.
Alright peeps, so I guess the oil hot now.
Yes,
Alright, so 4 pieces. What already peeps. So let me know you want to fry.
it's over.
See there? Fry, turn the cornmeal. Alright. Alright guys, so wow, it's really soft and mash up. See the man? Just stick to the pot. Guys, that's first I'm doing this. So I am not even sure if I'm doing it correctly. You know guys, I'm using a wrong tool doing this job. God.
Ooh. This is how it looks.
Yeah.
The ham. But
Alright,
darker.
peeps, so that is it. So we finish fry. I'm gonna put in the bami now. Let's show you what I'll go on again. The second to the turn.
Okay. Ooh.
Guys, I guess you have to do it like fish, you know? Do it delicate like fish. Alright, alright. Let the oil smoking it like how you fry the fish. Yeah, alright. It's all mash up. Steam like fish. Steam like fish. Alright. So this is the second set peeps. So I don't want them to be nice. Alright. Alright peeps, so take out time now. So I say make it all smoking it like you fry fish. So I'll go and try it. Yeah. The first set ain't spoiled, but now I know. Now I know what I go on. Now I have to pull. So make the oil hot and then we throw in the bami and then fry a piece of this plantain. Yeah, so soup come again with peas. And so I go on here. Yeah. Fry current cornmeal. Now you don't know the cornmeal cooked from yesterday. So I'm gonna leave the link to that video in the description and pin in the comment section. Yeah. Alright guys, so see, bam in the pot now, we're gonna fry. I'm ready to go ahead and slice up the plantain. So 4 slices. Alright, so I'm going to fry the bami and fry the plantain. I'm showing the finished product. So soon come again the peeps. Soon come, soon. Guys, so this is how I go on. The curry fish, the fried plantain, the fried seed, the fried cornmeal, turn cornmeal, and the bami. So at time now to take for go on. Turn up taste what I'm guys. Alright, the fish time peeps. Whoa, water there too much. Just take one time and done because I need it again. But I made it back, you know. That's what I should have done. Alright peeps, so that's it, you know. Time now to taste what I go on. Alright peeps, so taste this time I know, you know. And see I have one Pepsi right here, so. Take out the time because time unnecessary again. Then the work already. So try the fried cornmeal. Alright. And use it?
Yeah. Might take it.
Take one.
Okay, I'm just gonna take. Why did this one so? Yummy.
Mm-hmm.
But it's kind of fresh.
Yeah, kind of fresh. We do almost all night from yesterday. Almost like the fried bami. It's the same thing, same texture. Outside was crispy, inside was soft and nice. Like the bami fry, same thing. Almost the same flavor as well.
Very yummy. But fresh.
The crackers. As before, very nice flavor. And the plantain. The plantain with the cornmeal.
What do you
Mm-hmm.
taste like? I might taste. Oh. Oh,
Go
the
on.
like cornmeal and the taste.
Mm.
What is this? Why is this hard to take a piece?
So guys, right at the end of the video, you know. So, I want you to like the video, leave a comment below, and tell me what you think about this fried cornmeal.
Why is it
Yeah,
hard?
when you can try it, just turn the cornmeal from overnight. Just turn it on like today, put it on dish make it cool, then put it in the fridge till the next day or so. Then fry it. You see me? Very, very nice. I'm gonna say, almost like the fried bami. Outside is crispy, inside soft and nice. Yeah, basically the same thing. Yeah, very, very nice. I'm gonna say, I cook the fish and the turn coming from yesterday, so I'll leave that video in the description and put it in the comment section so you can set up with it also. Very nice. So, peeps, man, I'll catch you on the next video, so look more. So I'm gonna just like deal with it. I say you don't say food good for a baby and mash it down. Or a small kid and mash it down and say oh the food good. Alright, so look more.